Hey, Jim Kiefer here. We have work ahead of us here in the Blackberry bramble patch. Obviously, there's still snow on the ground in southeast Missouri, but our blackberries have grown. They're now touching the ground. We have, these canes are probably 10, 12 foot long, some of them. This is after we come through last fall and trimmed and cut them back, and this is just how they grow over the winter. There's 450 feet of trellised berry here. So we have days of work trimming. There's three rows, 3 sections in each row, nine 50-foot rows of trellised berry. So we'll be coming through in the spring, and we will be taking each of the crowns that are here, and we will be pruning those back to the 3 to 4 best canes coming out of the ground. We'll be looking for any damage from bugs. There's the borer beetle that gets in there, and then there's a few dead canes from last year left that didn't get trimmed out that we'll be going through and trimming up. But we're waiting. Next week's supposed to be a warm week, warmer, so the snow should be gone, and hopefully we can get in here in the incoming couple of weeks and start getting this trimmed up. We're going to also be taking some of these longer ones. We'll want some starts to sell, and maybe to fill in some dead spots in the blackberry brambles. Our furthest row, farthest down, gets a little thin. We haven't quite got that established the way we want it yet, so we'll be taking some starts from some of this section and replanting them down there. Checking our drip tape. The snow has been very good to get the ground moist, but we'll be going through and checking our ground cover. There's holes in it. It's been here for 5 years now, and so there's a few places where the grass grows up, so we'll be recovering that. Originally we used 3 foot wide ground cover here on the outsides, 6 foot between, which worked really nice. There's about 6 foot between the crowns, so we roll 6 foot down between and stretch it between, and then we use 3 foot out. But it's still a little not quite far enough out, so we're going to use 6 foot, and we're going to come out 6 foot from those crowns, and that way we're cutting grass a little further away from the crowns than we were before. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. Lots of trimming videos, lots of how to take care of your blackberry brambles to get the most out of them coming up this spring. Look forward to it, and we'll see you soon.